Hi everyone. Today we will discuss present perfect tense. How to use present perfect tense. Perfect tense means work is completed. So let's take the situation to talk about present finished activities. Whatever activity is finished in present time, we use this tense. Let's take the structure. I, we, you, they. These particular words you can use have and negative form haven't. So here compulsory V3. V3 means what it is V3? It is a past participle. Past participle. So in English grammar we have three verb forms. V1 is present form, V2 is past form, V3 is past participle. So next another structure, particularly third person, he, she, it. We take has and negative form hasn't plus V3 plus other words. Example, I have gone to college. I have gone to college. That means work is completed. So negative sentence is I haven't gone to college. Similarly, we have gone to college, we haven't gone to college, you have gone to college, you haven't gone to college, they have gone to college, they haven't gone to college. When you take third person he has he has gone to college. Negative sentence, he hasn't gone to college. He hasn't gone to college. In present time we can use it. But lots of people, what they do mistake with the past time words they use. It's say, for example, I have gone to college yesterday. If yesterday is used, it is absolutely wrong. I have gone to college yesterday. We can't use it because yesterday is past tense absolutely. But what we can do here, we can say, I have gone to college today. I have gone to college today, it is possible. But yesterday I have gone to college, we can't say. Yesterday, last month, last year, last week, 2 days back, these kinds of past time words cannot be used with have and has. But you can use other time words. For example, other time words means now I write here. Recently. Recently means 10 to 15 days back. One example I'll show here. Recently I have attended PSI exam. Recently I have attended PSI exam. This is correct. Recently we can use. Then other time word, today you can use. This month, of course, you can use. This year, you can use. Still, still means till now. Still, I haven't got my result. Still, I haven't got my result. Still means till now. So these time words you can use with the present perfect tense. But don't use yesterday, last month, last year, last week. Because present perfect tense are absolutely used in present time. Today, particularly, you can use today I have gone to college, today I have attended the class, today I have paid college fees. That's right. But yesterday I have gone to college, yesterday I have paid fees. This is absolutely wrong. But when people are talking in English, these common mistakes they will do, but you should avoid. According to present perfect tense rule, past time words cannot be used. Is it clear? Huh? Yesterday, of course, you want to use yesterday means you can use simple past. Example, yesterday I went to college. Yeah, of course. You can use yesterday I went to college. It's right. Last month, uh, last month I paid fees. You can use simple past, but last month I have paid. Last month I have paid fees. This is absolutely wrong. What I am saying. Ah. So I have gone, one more example I will explain. I have gone to college and I went to college. What is the difference? I went to college means it is also past. Which past? Absolutely past. It is not connected to present. But I have gone to college, that means I have gone college. Right now where I am in college. I went to college. But whether I am in college or not in college, I do not know. I went to college. Maybe I am in college. May not be I am in college. I am in some other, I am in other place. Right? I have gone to college means absolutely it is a present. So right now the situation is where I am at the college point. But I went to college? No. It is absolutely not connected to the present. When it is not connected to the present, we can use I went to. It is connected to present, I have gone. Suppose you have reached Mysore. Your friend asked you, where are you? You can say, I have gone to Mysore because right now you are in Mysore. You went Mysore 2 days back, then you returned. Somebody asked you, where did you go? Then you will answer, I went to Mysore. Now I am in Gulbarga. Is it clear? Have indicates the situation is like that. Right now the work is completed, the person is related to that particular situation. I have gone to college means I am related to the college. Right now I am in college because the work is just completed. When work is just completed, we can use start. I have paid exam fees just now. I have purchased a car. I purchased a car. I purchased a car means it is somewhat old car. I have purchased a car means just recently, I mean 2 3 days back, I purchased it. I purchased a car means maybe most probably 3 4 months back, or 1 year back. So simple past when we use means when action is not connected to the present time, we can use. When action is connected to present situation, present perfect tense is used. Especially present perfect tense we are using in report writing. If you are an employee, you are writing the report, what you have done this week, you can use this tense. In college, students can write report. 1 week, what are the activities you have done? For report writing, this tense is used. I hope you understood. And in the next class, we will discuss about present perfect continuous tense, how to use have been and has been. So there are many confusion about this helping one, and we will discuss in the next class. Okay, fine. We shall meet in the next class.